If you're restoring or upgrading your Yamaha RD350, the MRA Original Windshield offers you a factory-accurate design with modern materials for a perfect fit. This windshield maintains that authentic look of the original while improving the durability and the optical clarity. You can find this windshield through the link in the description below or at our website, accessoryinternational.com. Now this is the MRA windshield. It's designed to match the shape of the stock windshield on your bike. And the MRA Original Windshield is a direct replacement that's going to bolt on easily without any modifications. It's available in a clear, smoked gray or gloss black finish, allowing you to customize the look of your RD350 while maintaining its classic styling. Now the key features that we're looking at on this windshield, it's got a factory accurate design, and it's going to match the shape and dimensions of your OEM windshield with a real original look. Now this is built from a shatter resistance acrylic, providing long-lasting clarity and strength, and the installation is going to be real easy as a direct bolt-on install. You won't have to modify anything, drill anything, or require any special tools. Now overall, for restorers and classic bike enthusiasts, the MRA Original Windshield delivers OEM styling with the modern durability that you're looking for. So whether you're maintaining your stock appearance or enhancing the aerodynamics and the protection of your RD350, this windshield is a perfect choice being made out of Germany. Now my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. Any questions for us, call us 786-242-5400. If you found value out of this video, I ask that you give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.